Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. My name is Leonard Sotelo and I teach a lot of website traffic. I also go over a lot of tools that I have used and whether you want to use them or not. So a bunch of reviews I do on this channel as well. Everything internet marketing related. So right now I'm going to show you some organic free website traffic. So when it comes to organic website traffic, it's free. It does take time, but I'm going to show you here in a little bit. So stick around till the end of this video because I got something cool for you as well. Also, I'm open to comments. Leave me some comments in the below this video and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So let's get started. Don't stress, do your best, forget the rest. And I'm actually outside right now. It's a nice day and you might hear alarms going on or fire engines or something. I don't know. Hopefully not. So let's get started here. I want to, a lot of people wonder what is Scoop.it. What does Scoop.it do? And that's a website for those of you that don't know, Scoop.it. And I'm going to show you how to use it as well. So stick around to the end of this video and we're going to be dropping some pretty good stuff here, and it's all free. So free organic traffic. What else is better, right? So let's go to ChatGPT here. I actually put in here what is Scoop.it and what is it used for? Scoop.it is a content curation platform that allows users to discover, curate, and share content on a specific topic of interest. Users can create theme boards and pages where they collect and organize content such as articles, blog posts, videos, and other types of media. These curated pages can be shared with others and serve as a way to build expertise and thought leadership in a particular area. Excuse me, my eye vision is a little blurry here. Content discovery, that's where you come in and you come on here, you place your content in here. So you could get discovered. So content discovery on Scoop.it. Curation tools, sharing and publishing, analytics. And I want to show you here real quick. This is the website right here. Let's see if we could get the stats here on how this website is performing. So right here you get monthly visits, almost 800,000. Now, I went over here before making this video over here on SEMrush. They say some of the traffic has been dropping. That's nothing to worry about, everybody. That just makes more opportunity for you out there to go to Scoop.it and oh, there's a bee going around. Excuse me. And use this website to get your products and stuff out there. So let's go down here to see where a lot of traffic is coming from. That bee kind of freaked me out. It just came out of nowhere. There's a big bumblebee around here. You guys, backlinks, organic traffic search. Let's see what else. Let's see what we could pull up over here on Scoop.it. Gets a lot of traffic. India, France, United States, Vietnam, United Kingdom. So this Scoop.it free organic traffic could help you out. So let me show you how to use it. This is how I use it, right? So I have a page right here. This is my fashion business blog that I have, and I usually just use blog posts. So I go over here and I pick out a blog post that I just wanted to. I did this one on Valentine's Day. I did quite a few of them. Fashion trends. I mixed the words up. Anyway, so I've been working on this blog. So I'm gonna just, for example, I'm gonna click this one right here. Wait a minute, not that one. You know what? Let's just go to the home page. Let's go to the home page. I usually use this to share my my tools, not my tools, my excuse me, my YouTube videos or my blog posts. I got a few different blogs that I work on here, so I usually use this for. So this is what you do. This is how you use it. I'm going to open this up. And by the way, you know what? Let me stop real quick. If you if you're liking this content, please please give me a like so you can share it with other people who are watching it. If you like it, and tap that notification bell. Subscribe and tap that notification bell so you can get notifications of future videos that are coming up, and it really help out my channel a lot, and it'll be highly appreciated. Also, I'm going to have some links in the description If you want to check them out, some of them are to my social medias. You could go there and follow me on there as well. And let's get back to the video. So let me open this up. So right here, this is my profile right here. Let's see if it opens. Here we go. And there's different ones. You could upgrade it. So if you upgrade it, it's going to take you to this is what you get. And by the way, I am not I'm not affiliated with this website anything at all. I do not have a link for it. I'm just making this video right here so I can share it with all of you out there who are affiliate marketers, or you're thinking about it, or you got something going on the internet and you're looking for some organic free web traffic. So that's what I'm making this video for. So there's a pro version, a plus version, expertise, and there's free. Right now I'm using free. So you could kind of get out there with free. So this is how you use it. I just copied my page over there. So I'm going to go over here. Let me go to the very front page. And let me kind of browse through this real quick because, you know, you can see right here, there's stuff on Warren Buffett, best places in Colombia. So travel, the secrets. There's a lot of finance stuff in here. There's fashion. There's t-shirts, leaving luxury brands. There's a lot of stuff in here. So that's pretty good, right? If you think it's pretty good, give me a thumbs up. And let me show you real quick. This was right here. This is how you use it. You put your link in there, and then you hit you submit it. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. So this is my, okay, so we could publish it now, we could publish it later, we could pick the trends here, or the tags, I mean. So we want to go with tags, we want to go with, let's say, fashion tips, fashion. So you just gotta get your tags here. I don't know how many you could put, so let's see how many we could put. Let's go with fashion underwear. Let's go with beauty. What else can we get in here? Fashion, ebooks, and I'm actually going to submit this since I'm here with you. And let's see what else. Fashion, ebooks, luxury, clothing, lifestyle. Let's see. I'm going to just use those ones for now. I don't want to make this video too long because I don't want to take up too much of your time. And let's see what else we got here. You can share your site. You know what? I think I could get more out of there. And down here, you could also connect your X, former Twitter, your LinkedIn, or your Facebook. I have my LinkedIn connected to this right now. I got to do my Facebook, but let's see what else we could do. Beauty products, fashion. Let's see if it takes me anywhere. Fashion style. Okay, that's good enough. Then we're going to hit publish. It says, awesome, your scoop has been successfully published to your Scoop.it. Okay, so everything's there. You can say continue. You could upgrade if you like. I will eventually do that later. Right now I'm kind of going through teaching you free at the moment. Excuse me, let me get a drink. That bee's still around here. And if any of you are you made it this far, I really appreciate it. But if you're looking for more traffic, go to my other videos. I will have them pop up around here pretty soon. And I got a lot of videos down here on traffic. If you want to go live, if you want secret web traffic, I got that. A lot of how-to videos for you out there to get more traffic to your affiliate pages, your e-commerce store. You can have one or two, your product, your service, what you do, whatever it may be. And I have a lot more here, so go ahead and go check them out, everybody. And I really appreciate you sticking around to watch this video. I really appreciate it. I got some educational links in the description of this video below. If you're just starting in your own business or whatever it may be, just remember this: we all got to start somewhere. Like me learning these, I did not know them when I first started. So you gotta lay your foundation first, and then kind of go from there and continue going. And you're gonna have a lot of naysayers. They're around. Don't pay attention to them. Let them do their thing. You do your thing. And that's why my channel is here to help everybody. Because when I first started, it took me a while to get some help. I knew how to build an online business, but I didn't know how to get traffic really. So I was a fresh, new to the scene. And if that is you out there, I hope my channel can help you out a lot. Don't forget to get those free free stuff, free ebooks that I will have for you in the description below this video. And y'all have a good day, good night. I hope to see you again. Leave me a comment, and see you later. Bye.